So for my birthday, I decided to install SHEIN's 26-inch synthetic lace front wig, so stay tuned.
I don't play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, and then sashay. But I don't work for free. That's not the tea, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. My nails, hair, hips, heels.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am DACARDIA, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer, and if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. So you know, whenever I got this cap on, baby, it is time to put a wig on. So I ended up finding this wig from SHEIN. Y'all, I'm absolutely obsessed with this wig, love this wig. Everything about this wig is on point. So let me go ahead and give you guys the details and show you guys the details as well. Normally, whenever I get a wig, y'all know it has something in it to keep it up. But baby, it don't even have it. I don't even care at this point. But let me go ahead and show you guys her. This unit is 26 inches, 13x4 lace. And the curls are beautiful. She is synthetic, like I already told you guys. She's dark brown, and also this lace, baby. This lace is everything. So let me give you the details on the inside. So she does have 2 combs on the outside, and she has 1 in the middle, but she does not have 1 in the back. But she does have adjustable straps, so you good. Since it's my birthday, I'm trying to figure out what I want. There's this classy, elegant look to this one. And also this one is more classy and elegant as well. And I'm like, girl, what am I going to do? Because both of them are cute. And I'm like, it don't even matter. Just go with one. And so I chose the half up, half down. So now let's go ahead and get started installing this wig. So I literally just did the dumbest thing. I am literally parting my hair in the middle, and I'm prepping my hair for a middle part. And I told you guys at the beginning of this video that I'm doing a half up, half down. So I already filmed this. So guess what? We're going to go through this and we're going to watch it. But if you do want a middle part with this unit, you can follow these steps. But if you want a half up, half down, baby, don't follow these steps. I messed up, okay? But continue on watching. And at this moment is when I realized I was supposed to do half up, half down. So we're back on track. Looking back at this part, I could have done this so much better than what I've done. I didn't get this very slick. I didn't get a slick ponytail, but you guys can see it towards the end. After me completing this video and being done with it, I did go back and I fixed my mistake. So I'm showing you guys what I've done and how I fixed it. So I'm hoping you guys won't do the same, and make sure you slick this ponytail, okay? The last thing I've done to this unit, I added oil sheen. You can add hair oil sheen, whatever you would prefer. I absolutely love this unit, y'all. This was like a 10 out of 10 for me. I love it. Now, the thing that I've done off camera, I did cut a little layers on the side of the ponytail. For a synthetic unit, this is so worth it. I absolutely love everything about this unit. But I am going to show you guys my birthday recap and everything that I've done. And also, I did cut this unit on day 2. I didn't keep this unit in long. It's worth it, but I just didn't do it. So let me go ahead and show you guys my birthday recap.
Welcome to Indiana.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge. milkshake brings all the boys to the milkshake brings all the boys to the boys to the boys to the milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours.
You wanna sit more on my living room floor, play Nintendo with Seasonino. Pick up my phone, say Papa not home, sex all night, mad head in the moan. Spin my V, smoke on my weed, tattoo on TT saying B.I.G. Now check it, you wanna be my main squeeze, baby, don't you? You wanna give me what I need, baby, won't you? Picture life as my wife, just think, full length, make fat X and old links, bracelets to match, conversation was all that, showed you the safe combinations and all that. Guess you could say you's the one I trusted. Who would ever think that you would spread like mustard? Shit got hot, you sent feds to my spot, took me to court, tried to take all I got. Another intricate plot, the bitch said I raped her. Damn, why she wanna stick me for my paper? My Moschino hole, my Versace hottie. Come to find out, you was fucking everybody. You knew about me, the fake ID. Cases in Virginia, body in DC. Won't always me, that's what I get for tricking. Came out on bail, commenced to ass kicking.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to.